will join, but I'm pretty sure that the other friends from my friend list wouldn't join anyways. Cause many times like they do not join.
Okay, we need to go back to Roblox.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
I need to put the code. Okay. You're still playing that?
No, you gotta load it. Now, go. See?
So it's only me and you.
Yeah, it's only me and you.
What happens if there's more people?
Ready? Ready? Wait. Do not click the button yet. We gotta do the intro. Yeah, let's rejoin. Let's rejoin. You're not supposed to do that. Over here. The video has not started. The video has not started.
You're going to cry.
We always gotta do the intro because sometimes that's really important. Because some people then doesn't know what you're doing. There, ready?
Okay.
We're gonna do the intro. 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hello everybody. Today we're gonna play Do Not Press the Button with my bestie. Say hi to everybody.
Hello.
Yeah, so she said hello. So let's go and press the button. Who wants to press the button? Okay, you go first.
Because me youngest.
Did you know that there's a oh no. Ah! 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 No, she's getting me! 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 Ah! Oh my gosh, I have so low health.
You dead.
Wait, I'm gonna invisible. You cannot see me. Never mind. We gotta go to the clouds. Ah! Oh my god, this is kind of hard. Oh! Wait, no way. I actually did it. Rar, where are you? We gotta climb the clouds for winning.
Let me again.
Oh my god! I fell. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Oh, you pressed the button. Fast! The floor is lava! Okay, you press it. You know there's a shop in the side of the screen? That's why it has the invisibility and the ice cream. Oh my god. Push it.
You're not going to push it.
You want it to explode? Ah! Oh my god. We're so dead.
We need to go somewhere far.
Blech. No, it doesn't matter if we go far.
Bigla, you can press.
You forgot? I'm gonna mute that. Ah! Okay, you take it. It's over here.
Okay, I'm going to grab it.
Okay, fast.
When we can grab it.
Oh, go! No! No, it exploded. I'm gonna take my revenge. Come over here. Oh. Papa.
Don't hit me. You're supposed to hit the lab.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna... Yay. Oh my gosh, why is this so hard?
QTSP, I just said your name in real life.
Yeah, I told you I will mute that.
Okay.
E.
QTSP, Bestie!
What?
Those are rats!
There's a rat?
No, those are rats!
Those are rats?
If you see a rat, what are you gonna do?
The rat dance! Well, let me do something really quick.
You told me that at school.
Oh yeah, I remember. So everybody, I told her that when we see a rat, we should dance the rat dance because it's a rat dance. Okay, who presses it? Not me. I'm invisible.
Please don't kill me, but I can see you.
Ah! Oh my No, this is so hard.
Me not dead. Me dead.
How did I? Nobody survived. So impressive. Oh, you cannot see me. Oh, oh my God! What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
That's a tomato.
We are so dead. Are we supposed to press the button?
No, we're supposed to run away from it.
Oh my God.
We just died.
Oh. No, 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 no. Press the button.
You hit P. I want to press a button.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Press it. Ah! Are we supposed to escape? Oh. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! And I'm dead. Who expected that?
Nobody.
Well, okay.
You can press a button.
I'm invisible. I cannot. Okay, maybe. Maybe I want to. Okay, now what is
If
this?
you find it, just let me grab it because neither y'all get it.
I remember it was somewhere like over here. You gotta touch the wall. Because I remember it was something that you gotta touch the wall to get into the thing. Oh, we couldn't find the diamond. You know what? You pick it. You pick it. I'm gonna be nice. You pick it. Yay! Who presses the button? Not me.
Yay!
Are you sure? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure? Because sometimes it gives you candy and sometimes it doesn't give you. It's a trick! It's a trick! It's a trick! It's a trick! Oh, it's a trick! See, sometimes it's a trick and sometimes it's a treat. We got the trick. Oh, I knew it. Okay, press it. Press it. You're stepping on it. Oh.
How did you get invisible?
Oh, because you gotta find it in the store. Okay, go over here. Go.
But we don't have
It does not cost Robux. It's actually money from the game. Like, see those stuff? See, this is your money. See, this is your money and you're gonna buy it with some of those. Okay, anyways. Let's go to the button.
How can I get money though?
Oh, you get money by winning the game. So since you're like a new person playing, then I will let you like win. No, you're so. Oh, that's mine and that's you.
You
Oh,
can press it.
okay. Again? Oh my god. Oh my god. What? I'm gonna. Where do you want it to be? Over here or over there?
Over here.
Over here? Okay. La-
Me can't push it.
it's so hard.
But then you're going to win.
Wait, what?
Please.
It's hard. It doesn't let me. Wait, it got in at the negative. It got in at the negative 3 seconds. Each time I jump, I'm like, well,
Trampoline.
I think we should end the video here. It's already 11 minutes.
Okay, bye guys.
Okay, so everybody, like and subscribe, and I hope that please subscribe to Angelina 2
Angelina 1, 2, 3.
4. Angelina 1, 2, 3, 4. I meant because the YouTube channel has Angelina 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! We got a treat.
We got candy.
Yay! We end the video with some candy. Oh my god! Well, I hope you're having a great day, everybody, and bye! I'm gonna end the video by this. Bye! Whee!
Wait, me want to do that too.